means a lot at Mpumalanga Primary School. Today, Sasol remembers us because we've got 2 computers. So we are going to share it with the teachers, because some of the teachers, they always use the SMT computers and also the principals. So for having these 2, it means a lot to us.
I think it is a very good venture for the school, because what I've looked at is that most of the teachers, especially the ones that came for this program, they were not used to having those computers closest to them to such a manner that they can be able to manipulate them on a daily basis. So now, since we have won these 2 computers, we are definitely going to make sure that we dedicate them to the teachers, so that on a daily basis, at least they need to practice the skills that they've gathered from this one, so that they can always practice.
Computer literacy is just like when you are driving a car. If you go to do the testing, you must come and do practicals by having the car. Even the computers, you can learn the computer, but if you don't practice, the information will just go out. But now, as they will be having this gadget, it will be easy for them to do the practice. The more they do the practice, the more they reinforce the activity.
This is a world of technology, so you cannot run away from that. And also it makes learning to be more easier, because you'll prepare using it, you'll present a lesson using it. So it means a lot.
We've got only 1 computer at a school, which was used by the admin clerk for the whole school. With these 2, we will use it as 2 groups. The other one will be for the foundation phase, and the other one will be the intermediate phase and senior phase. And we are going to take our learners to show them and teach them how to use it.
We are a small school, we don't have computer labs, so we only have 5 computers at the school. The teachers have been trained in 2017, so they've never used the skill that they've learned in this program. I think from now on, they're gonna use the computers to train the other teachers.
The best way is to keep on practicing. So, because now we do have 1, then we'll practice what we have learned here, yes, to improve even our skills.
What I'm expecting now is that even the lesson presentation, the old ways of presenting, using these chalks and stuff like that, we are trying to move away from that. So we definitely understand or also appreciate the computer program as it is now, and we definitely know that the teachers will make sure that their learners will actually enjoy the lessons rather than teaching the olden ways.
As part on behalf of the school and on behalf of our principals, thank you so much, Sasol, and thank you all the team that contributed for this program. The teachers at my primary school, I'm sure they will be happy to see these computers.